In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in Gmail in Chrome. If you've got a computer with Google Chrome installed and an internet connection, you're ready to go. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can get into your inbox quickly and securely. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can launch it from your desktop, taskbar, or applications folder. Once Chrome is open, click in the address bar at the very top of the window. Type gmail.com and press enter. This takes you straight to the official Gmail website. It's always a good idea to double-check the address to make sure you're on the real site before entering any information. On the Gmail welcome page, look for the Sign In button. If you see it, click it. Sometimes Gmail may skip this button and show you the Sign In box right away, or it may detect that you're already signed in with another Google service. If that's the case, you'll see the account chooser screen or your inbox directly. When prompted, enter your Google account email address or the phone number linked to that account, then click Next. Make sure you use the same email or number you used when you created the account. If you have multiple accounts, choose the one you want to access. Now, carefully enter your password and click Next. Take a moment to check for typos and make sure caps lock isn't on. Your password won't be visible as you type, so accuracy matters here. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, and it's a great security practice, you'll be asked to verify your identity. Keep your phone or verification device nearby. You might receive a prompt in the Google app, a text message code, or a code from an authenticator app. Complete that verification to continue. Once your credentials are confirmed, you'll be taken to your Gmail inbox automatically. You'll see your messages listed, with new emails at the top. From here, you're ready to read, compose, and manage your email as usual. If you're on a public or shared computer, remember to sign out when you're finished to protect your account. To sign out, click your profile picture or initial in the top right corner of the Gmail page and select Sign Out. It's a small step that keeps your information safe. That's all it takes to sign into Gmail using Google Chrome. Thanks for watching, and stay secure while you browse.